You know, AI uses water, but how much exactly? Asking ChatGPT 10 to 50 questions consumes roughly the same amount of a 500 ml bottled water. In 2025 alone, AI systems were estimated to have consumed around 765 billion liters of water. By 2030, AI-related water consumption could equal the basic annual domestic needs of 1.3 billion people. But tech companies are starting to wake up. In 2024, Microsoft introduced a new data center designed optimized for AI workloads that consume zero water for cooling during operations. Meanwhile, NVIDIA has introduced a liquid cooling architecture that delivers coolant directly to the chips, reducing dependence on evaporative cooling systems. Researchers are even proposing using underground aquifers as natural thermal batteries keep data centers cool. We can't just wait for big tech though. Day-to-day usage accounts for roughly 80 to 90% of AI's total energy demand. So, be mindful. A typical chat query uses around 200 times the energy of basic text classification. And generating a single AI image uses about 2 tablespoons of water. So use AI when you really need it, but stick to a standard search engine for simple questions. The future of tech shouldn't drain our planet dry. Like and share to spread awareness.